Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney, and we're
Team Tackney.
Today we are at our newest listing. Where is it, Jeff?
Today we're at 6072 Anthony Avenue in beautiful West Garden Grove, California.
This is a treat. It is a garden park Plan 4 owned by a longtime owner. It is so adorable. We're so excited to show it to you. It's one of our favorite floor plans. We owned one for 12 years. Actually, this same exact model as far as it's a garden park Plan 4 and it's a Buttercup. So you've got the straight driveway. We're so excited for you to come take a look.
Come on in.
It's California, and we've got this amazing fireplace, living room, dining room, whatever you want it to be. Originally, the homeowner that this one bought it from, it was in the times where you had a formal living room and then you had the room that the kids could go into. So that is why they put this up, because this was the formal. Don't even look at this room. This is where the company comes to be entertained. And this is where you could actually live.
Yep.
Have some Cheetos.
Hang out.
Watch how did you have to change the channel on the TV?
My dad would yell at me which channel to change, and I'd get up and go over to the television and change the channel. That's
what happened in this room.
Yeah.
Somebody got hit in the head and they had to go change the channel. So this is an addition, and you know, like Jeff, the general contractor, not structural engineer, since this was added, you're gonna wanna do some research, but it shouldn't be that difficult to remove that wall to have—
Should be a partition wall.
Yeah, to have a massive living room. Yep. So lots of potential here, and we love it. This is a Plan 4. So let's see the rest of it. All right, so the reason for the hat—
Yeah, come on this way, partners.
—is in the kitchen. We got this. It's awesome. We love it. It's really cute. Our photographer loved it too, Joe. And it leads to, the Plan 4 has direct access to the garage. So this garage is neat because you have a lot of space to work. You've got more than
storage,
a 2-car garage. So you've got
washer, dryer,
room for storage, washer, dryer, and a work area. You know me, that's where I'd craft. In the massive backyard of Anthony, our newest listing. It's so great.
Yes.
What's great about it, Jeff?
The size, the space, the avocado tree. I mean, that's instant guacamole.
Around the corner, you have even more space with the shed. It's endless, the opportunity back here. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to come see this house. If you want your own private tour, leave a comment below, reach out to us directly, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye.